All right. So we're going to go ahead and do some activities today related to ball skills. We're going to be throwing and then also kicking today. We're going to demonstrate a lot of different ways of doing this activity. What we'll use is just stuff we can find around the house. So we're going to set up our bowling type pins using books. We're going to be using these children's books. There's going to be a variety. Some of them are thicker and taller. Others are shorter and thinner. So we're going to go ahead and set those up first. So I'll do that right here. We're going to set those up on the tile just because it's a little bit more enjoyable for a lot of the kiddos to hear the books fall over. So we're going to put those, and we're going to space them out so you have to potentially use the ball multiple times to knock them all over. All right, Henry, which one do you want to do first? Throwing or kicking? Throwing. Okay, so there's different balls we can use. If you're just barely learning to throw, then use the bigger ball. You can get these around like $3 at Walmart. This would be, this is a basketball. It's a little bit smaller than the large ball. Then you also have the tennis ball. For our purposes today, we'll just use the basketball. And then what you can do, depending on the level of the skill of the kiddo, is you can scoot them further and further away from the target. We're going to be using the basketball for our purposes of today for demonstrating. Go ahead and stand up, buddy. We're going to move this one out of the way. You can have a chair. And one of the ways you could progress is you could go from sitting up to standing, and then you could also go further and further away. But we're going to be knocking over all these books. You can see here, I have these books, and that's our target. So we're going to be using the basketball. Okay, wait. And so Henry, you know what to do, buddy. You got to knock over the balls. You got to knock over the books.
Why do you say knock over the balls?
I don't know. Okay, go ahead. Oh, nice try, nice try. Let's try again.
Oh.
You got one, you got one. Go ahead and kneel down, buddy, on your knees like that. Perfect. And then go ahead and you're going to go up real tall and then throw it.
Okay.
Tall and throw. Perfect. Perfect. All right, now we're going to be doing some kicking, okay? So what we'll do with Henry is we're going to do kind of the highest level, which will be the smallest ball, okay? So we're going to do the smallest ball. We're going to reset up the books. Henry, come here and help me set up the books. Can you pick them up? Yep, you're going to open them up, buddy.
The thin books have to be like this, and the strong and the big books can like go like that.
Okay. So we're going to have the ball right here, okay? And I want you to kick it as hard as you can to knock over a book. All right, good work, buddy. All right, so that's the activity that we would do. Again, there's different ways. If you have a hard time, kicking the small ball, you got to start with a large ball, and then you're going to be starting really close. And as you get better and better, you can go further away. For engagement, sometimes it might be helpful to make it into a game. So you might have the kiddo doing it, and then also the parent from further away. So you guys can kind of compete depending on the child, their skills and what's enjoyable for them. So thank you guys so much for your time, and hopefully these things it's a good activity for you to practice at this time. Thanks.